Hi students, this quick video is going to go through how to create a Google form on your iPad. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Google Drive using Safari or Chrome, one of those two apps. If you try to open the Google Drive app, it's not going to work. So make sure you're using some kind of internet web browser to open Google Drive. And then once you log in the corner you'll see this button. I want you to go ahead and click on that. And once you do, you're going to see that it's going to bring you to this page, and you can see if you keep using it in the mobile version you can't create forms or presentations like you usually do. But if you click right here where it says desktop, what it does is it transforms what you see into the desktop version. So there you go. And if you click on create right here, you're going to see there's form. Go ahead and click on form, and once you do you're going to see something like this. Go ahead and give your form a title. I'm just going to call mine social media survey, like that. You can pick a theme like that. Click OK. And then down here you can see there's questions that you can add. So let's say my first question that I want to ask the person is, do you use social media? And let's see, there's different question types that you can ask. So if you click on this, there's multiple choice, they can write a paragraph, check boxes. I'm just going to keep mine multiple choice. And the first answer they can use is yes or no. There you go. And down here where it says required question, if you click that, that makes that question required, so if they don't answer that they can't move on to the next question. So there you go. So I'm just going to click it and done. There you go. Then if you click on add item right here, it will add a new question. So let's say, what kind of social media do you use? And then for this question maybe I might want to make it a checkboxes. So I'm going to try that. Let's say I want to add, let's see, Twitter. Second one, YouTube. Third one, Instagram. I don't know. You can come up with your own questions and your own answers. So once you finish that, you're going to click on done right here. And make sure you have at least 5 questions in your survey so that when you survey people you're going to get all sorts of information, not just based on 2 questions. It's always better to have more than 2 questions. So make sure you have at least 5 questions. And if you want to move around any of the questions, like what if I wanted to ask this one first, you can just click and drag it and reorder. There you go, just like that. You just hold it, click and hold the question, and you can rearrange it. Let's say that I wrote my 5 questions. I'm ready to give the survey to some people. What you're going to do is right here in the corner where it says view live form, you're going to click that. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to go up to your first person and say, hi, I'm doing a project. Can you please take this survey? And they'll say yes, and then they'll quickly fill this out using your iPad like this, and they'll click submit. And once they click submit, you can see right here it says submit another response. It's really easy to ask another person. You just click that and it brings you right back to that survey. So you can ask a second person, hey, can you do my survey? You know, they can answer the questions like so. Click submit, and there you go. And for this project you're going to poll at least 10 people. It could be in your class. You might want to ask people outside of your class. You might want to ask 6th graders, 8th graders. It's the best way to gather data is to ask as many people as possible. That's how you get a really good picture of the different trends that might come about from this project. Okay? And that's it. Good luck.